All right, check this out. 2001 Echo. I remove this valance first. Then I remove the two bolts on top inside the engine compartment. And then I was looking around trying to get the damn thing out. It wouldn't come out. And then I noticed, oh, there's a bolt right here. And then to get to that, there's a bolt here. You got to pull that out, drop this whole assembly down, kind of wedge in there, take the bolt out, and then the light assembly snaps out. And then, so I did the left front first, and then the right front was a piece of cake once I knew how to freaking do it. The videos online, to me, kind of suck, but there's a lot of views on them, so people have been watching them, trying to figure out how to do it. Hopefully my videos I've made, these will help the next person to do it. We got these lights assemblies online. I think the wife went through Amazon. And yeah, so yeah, I hope this helps out the next guy or woman. All right, auto out.